Hey gamers, make the smart purchase, unlock the 1080p, 1440p AM5 rig on the cheap Intel Arc B580. Battle Mage architecture, 20Xe cores, 12GB GDDR6 VRAM, debuted December 2024 with a mere $249 price tag. 2025 drivers give 7% performance uplift, and at 1440p high with XeSS2 upscaling, Pone's Cyberpunk 70 FPS RTX 4060 competitor. Why AM5, DDR5, and ready for PCIe 5.0 upgrades. The necessary parts for under $800. CPU, AMD Ryzen 5 7600, 6 cores, $179 for great multi-threaded game performance. Motherboard, MSI B650 Gaming Plus, good VRMs. RAM, 32GB DDR5 6000 MHz for smooth multitasking. Storage, 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD for loading fast. PSU, 650W 80 plus gold because a 450W PSU is efficient on a 225W GPU load. Case, Lion Lidana 3 MATX case for great airflow. GPU, Arc B580 with PCIe 4.0 slot. Delivers 60 to 100 plus FPS on ultra settings and absolute steel. Jump in and build this beast today. Smash like, hit subscribe, and let's dominate gaming.